Hi there, my name is Derek, and welcome to GamerBody. For this video, I am doing an unboxing of the Fitbit Charge 4. It is April 23rd, 2020, and I received it just today, so I wanted to do a quick unboxing and show you what you get when you order it from Amazon.com. For a quick description, the Fitbit Charge 4 is a wearable fitness tracker that can track your basic body stats such as steps, sleep quality, calories burned, your workouts, and more. This is the fourth generation of the Charge products, so just note that I have used some of the other ones in the past, such as the Charge 2 and 3, so we are testing out the Charge 4 and taking a look at what you receive. So why did I decide to get the Fitbit Charge 4? I do like the Fitbit products a lot, and since I had the Charge 3 and I saw some improvements with the Charge 4, I decided why not try and get the next generation and see what it's all about. One big draw to the Fitbit Charge 4 is that it has built-in GPS tracking, which is pretty awesome because usually you have to carry around your phone in order to track your runs, bikes, and other activities, where here you can just have the Fitbit itself track all that for you. This can be found in other Fitbit devices, but having it in the Charge one is actually pretty cool overall. Also, it did mention things such as Spotify with the device. Now, after doing some additional research, it isn't the greatest information because you can only change things such as what is playing from your phone. There's no music actually going onto the device. It's using your phone to still play the music, but you can change like the playlist that's being used and the songs that are being played from your Fitbit. Everything else is pretty similar to the Charge 3, so let's take a look at the purchase information. So I went and bought the Fitbit Charge 4 on April 18th, 2020 from Amazon.com. The price at the time of purchase was $149.95, with taxes being $12.37, which comes out to a total of $162.32. So after purchasing it on April 18th, I did receive the package on April 23rd, 2020, a few days later, and I'm deciding to make the unboxing now. So the first and most important item you get is the Fitbit Charge 4 itself, and I got the all black edition. You will also receive a USB charging cable, which is very, very similar to the Charge 3, and they will work if you actually use the Charge 3. It will work. I tested it out on my side to charge the device if you lost your Charge 4 and you have the Charge 3. You will also receive an extra wristband, so this will be a larger wristband that comes with it, because the one that comes on it is actually pretty small, so I ended up swapping out the small one that comes with it for the larger extra one that they provide. You will also receive a product information booklet, as well as a welcome to the Fitbit family card. So it's great to see that it's working right out of the box. It tried to connect to my phone right away, and I do have a Google Pixel, so it tried to connect to it right away without me having to do anything. It just showed a little notification on my phone and said, "We see the Charge 4, would you like to connect?" And it was already set up and good for me after about 5 minutes or so. Also, it's really great that they provided a larger wristband. I do believe they do this with most of the other ones as well, but I actually lost my older wristbands and bought one from Amazon, but it's still the small one, so I'm glad to actually have a larger wristband one versus that shorter band that comes standard. Looking at the dimensions and actually putting on my wrist, it is slightly larger than the Charge 3, but barely. You can almost not tell at all. I put them right on top of one another, and you can barely tell that the Charge 4 is larger than the Charge 3, so I'm not going to see much of an issue there. The biggest downside for me is the Spotify. I was really hoping that you could actually have songs on the device, like maybe upload a playlist like the Ionic you could for Pandora. You could actually upload a playlist if you had the premium version of Pandora right to the Ionic, but here you still can't do that, which is kind of a downer that I can't put an actual playlist on the Fitbit Charge 4 and use it instead of having to lug around my phone everywhere. I am pretty excited that this does have built-in GPS, so that is something I'm definitely going to be testing out, as I did have to take my phone everywhere before, and also if I do anything like Spartan races this year, I'll be able to track them, which was a big problem in the past because I never wanted to bring my phone into one of those events. So now I can actually track my pacing, my time, and when I bring these to an event, I can see how well I'm doing overall while running in the race. Looking at the price, this is a pretty standard price for the Charge products at launch, so we should see it come down maybe in the next half a year or so. I could see it coming down. I know with the current virus going around, it might stay up a little longer, but just note that we should be seeing it coming down. Maybe if you can wait 6 months to a year, where it drops a little bit in price if you can afford it now. But honestly, this is pretty standard for every single Fitbit released. And to round it out, this looks just as durable as all the other Fitbit charge products that I've purchased in the past. It really is almost the exact same build as those other ones. So I'm thinking it's going to last just as long. Again, all my other ones still work. I had a few issues here and there with the Charge 3 not connecting and stuff like that. And that was after a long period of time. So that was after a whole year of having it. I started running into those issues, like way past my first review. So looking at this one, I think it's going to last me a long time, which is good to see, but we'll test it out for the next month and see if it's still going strong. All right, and that is it on my review for the Fitbit Charge 4. If you did like this review, please like and subscribe to GamerBody for more review videos just like this one. Also, please make sure to head over to GamerBody.com. There you can check out my current training program from home, all the equipment I have, all the tech I have, as well as other resources I'm using to continue to improve my programming and get bigger and stronger from the comfort of home. Alright, and that's it for this video. So again, please like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Be fit and game on.